On behalf of Mr. Franz Nyeste and his wife, Mrs. Katalin Chus, managers and owners of Nyeste Ltd, we welcome you and hope you will have good enough idea about our firm, our products and our activities of production and trade through this film. The story of our company goes back to 1984 when the owner established his metal polishing workshop on an area of just 15 square meters. His entrepreneurship that started with him alone turned step by step to a small business that gave a job for few people, and finally it became a large production plant today. Now our enterprise operates in 2 plant buildings on an area of about 2,500 square meters, where thousands of different pieces of building fittings such as aluminium, brass and chrome steel, latches, knobs, brake pawls, rosaces are made for interior and entrance doors as well as windows. We draw a very big attention to our customers' demands, to developing activity of domestic and foreign locks producing companies, and finally we accomplish development of our products accordingly. Let's take a view of production technology of our products entering holes of some important units of this process. The carefully selected raw materials arrive continuously to the plant and stored in its material storehouse. Beside invoice and bill of delivery, quality certificate issued by the producer is considered to be a very important document. Part of building fittings, latches, knobs and latch aprons are casted in our foundry after aggregating and adjusting different alloys of aluminium. The final product is prepared then through permanent mold. Other fittings of buildings, such as shields, aprons and rosaces, are made by processing of metal plates and fibers. Latch axles and fixing components are produced by automatic metal cutting machines, and they are made of fibrous metals of standard quality. semi-finished products coming from the foundry and extrusion workshop are undergone further processing in the workshop of manual and vibrational surface treatment. Our products are prepared due to kinds of polishing: individual processing by traditional manual polishing, mass production with vibrational polishing machines, where product is treated in different polishing mediums with adding of proper chemical additives. A good deal of the products made of aluminium gain their final surface shape and color at an anodic oxidation workshop. According to special electrochemical processes, a solid and wear-resisting oxide layer takes shape on the product's surface. The surface treatment finishes by a tuning process at the end of the operating line. The stabilized, tuned surfaces maintain their quality for a long time and resist mechanical and chemical effects during normal daily utilization. Beside anodically oxidated aluminum latches, knobs, lock aprons, and recesses, the lacquered products painted with different colors are already getting very popular in the market today. In our chemical labs, we examined quality of delivered aluminum as a raw material and the alloys prepared from it. Analysis of anodic oxidation and galvanizing baths takes place here. Finished building fittings and components gather at the assembling and packaging department. A part of these fittings, such as latches and aprons, get to market for commercialization, but the big bulk of them get to order makers in a form of assembled sets. Meanwhile, sets of safe entrances form a special branch of the partially assembled products. When mounting them, one should draw very good attention to adaptation and fastening of protecting elements of their block latch. Safe building sets, adapted by the Federation of Hungarian Insurance Companies, can only be mounted from the internal side of the entrance doors. In circles of our clientele, domestically and abroad, sets of assembled building have very growing demand. In case of assembled fittings supplied with springs, a torsion spring turns the latch to its normal position back, and thus it disburdens door's lock. while production units are manufacturing ordered items of building fittings, the received orders are analyzed in the offices to see whether the desired product can be produced within the required deadline and if it is necessary to make any technological modification for it. Production system of our company, with both its technical and technological preparedness, is proper for taking demands of individual smaller orders into account and in an optimal manner. For example, on manufacturing extraordinarily thinner latch aprons, lock pins, keyholes, or changing position of lock in sets hole. Part of wholesale traders come for their goods, but deliveries for many customers also take place according to weekly time schedule concluded between them and Nyeste Ltd, where products are delivered by the company's vehicles. The main goals set by Nyeste for Building Fittings and Trade Limited are: 1. Continuous production and commercialization of sets and components of building fittings of high quality. 2. Gratifying demands of domestic and foreign lock producing companies, potential customers and wholesalers. Because of efforts done by the company leaders and its staff, our firm entered the zone of modern Hungarian entrepreneurship and enterprises when quality of our production won classification of what's so-called CERT quality certificate in Hungary, which meets standards of ISO 9002. Satisfaction of our customers based on high quality of products determines our everyday activity. Pressing down latches, we are opening our doors wide for every dear inquirer and prospective business partner.